Alright then gang, so what we've seen in this series is basically the basics of Firestore. There's far too much to go into in any serious depth, but what I would suggest now that you have the basics under control is that you head on over to the Cloud Firestore documentation. It's really good documentation and it gives you several different examples of how to perform compound queries, of how to manage your data, how to use the admin SDK, among other things as well. So I'll leave the link to this down below and you can go and check that out. Also, for those of you who want more Firebase or Firestore tutorials, I do have a Udemy course that I've just released recently called Build Web Apps with Vue.js 2 and Firebase. And in this, what we'll do is build 3 real applications with Vue.js and Firebase using the Firestore, as well as Cloud Functions and Firebase hosting. So if you want to check this out, feel free. I'll leave the link to this down below as well. You can get it for £9.99 and there's 106 lectures in there in all. So feel free to check that out as well. And finally, as I mentioned at the start of this series, this playlist is just one playlist of several that I intend to release all about Firebase because I'm a real big fan of Firebase at the minute and I think it's moving in the right direction. So some of the future tutorials that you can expect from me are going to be on Firebase authentication, Cloud Functions, storage, hosting, ML-Kit, and maybe analytics as well. So I'm going to work on all of these over the coming months and upload these as well, plus a load of other tutorials, not to do with Firebase, of course. So I hope you've enjoyed this series. Please, guys, if you do, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and I'm going to see you in the very next series.